All right, my friend. Now, we're inside of our store settings. Now, store settings is pretty dang important, okay? So we have general, we have shipping, we have payments and checkout as well, where we're really going to be focusing our time. So let's start off with general, okay? So general is where pretty much it's our settings in here, okay? Just kind of want to let you know that right now it's pretty much our settings. So this is where your information is if you want to change your account, email, and store name. For example, I want to go ahead and kind of make this a little bit more professional, like ecom dudes right over here. And again, this is our shipping from. We can always edit this address as well. Then we have the zones, okay? The zones and the rates. Now, this is pretty important, okay? If we want to go ahead and just edit our domestic shipping rates, we're going to click edit and take a look at exactly what happens if they actually go, if a customer goes and wants to go ahead and pretty much have shipping on that product, or if you want shipping on the product, what's going to happen with the customer. So the countries, okay, United States, and then you can literally go and see all the states that happen in here. Now, here's what happens. Price based on rates. Add rates based on a price of a customer's order. So you can do price-based rates, or you can do weight-based rates, okay? Now, this is pretty important as well. So how is this going to work? Price-based rates. So let's just go ahead and say that somebody orders 5 products and the total is, $100, right? The maximum, let's just say you don't want, and they order $150 or $149 worth of stuff. But again, you only want to allow this particular shipping rate to have this particular shipping status. The amount that you're going to charge people that are spending anywhere from $100 to $150 can be $15, right? So just kind of keep that in mind. So we have $100 to $150. However, what I'm going to let you know is this is just the very first price range, okay? We're not really going to focus on price-based rates. I don't really like price, okay? What I actually like is adding shipping rates by the weight. So I'm going to call this free shipping, all right? So the weight that I'm going to do is 0.01 to 0.02. And for example, okay, 0.01 to 0.02 is a free shipping rate. Now, technically, we can keep it to 0.01 to 0.01, which is fine, which is definitely what I would suggest as well. But for this, I will keep it 0.01 to 0.01, and it's free shipping. So I'm just going to go ahead and just click done. Now, when we actually go ahead and create products, let me show you how this works if we're using free shipping, right? So let me just grab a random image. So cat socks. Give me 1 second just to show you what we're going to be doing. Actually, it technically won't show you no matter what because of the fact that cat socks, it won't show you because I haven't upgraded the plan. We don't want to charge tax. Shipping weight 0.01. Okay, this product requires shipping. And let me just kind of show you, click save really quickly, what happens over here. All right, so we have cat socks. We have 0.01 in the shipping. Don't forget the shipping 0.01, which if we look over here, 0.01 is free. That's free shipping, right? So any product that you want to have free shipping on, you're going to be able to go out there and let me just make sure this is saved as well. And you're going to be able to go out there and have it set up free shipping just by going out there. If I click add to cart, it's not going to let me check out because I don't have a what's it called? I don't have the plan upgraded. So it's going to say, hey, this product has free shipping when they go and choose their shipping settings. Now, if we add another rate, and this is where you can play around with it, 0.02 to 0.02, you can have this be, standard shipping, right? So any product that you want to have this particular shipping rate on, you can. So let me just go ahead and put $9.95 and then click done. All right. So that essentially standard shipping could be $9.95. Now give me 1 second. I'm going to open up an actual document just to kind of give to you as well that you can use to have your rules set for your weights for your particular store for the shipping rules. Okay. So give me 1 second. I'm going to pull that up right now. So I made this quick little chart over here that you can take a look at. And if you follow these shipping rules, and all you have to do is just open up your open up your Shopify. So we have standard, and I'll give this a name for everybody as well. All right, so just so you can kind of know. So over here we have free shipping, we have standard shipping, we have weight based again. So the minimum 0.0, I think we're at 2 now. Nope, sorry, we're at 3 to 0.03. And over here, all right, we're gonna call this standard shipping. All right, and again we have 18.99. Click done, and you're gonna add all of these in because it's just gonna go right down the line. Okay, it's literally going to go right down the line. Now, the only discrepancy that you're actually going to face, right, is this over here. If you actually have a free plus shipping item, now this is where it gets a little tricky over here, okay? This is where it gets very, very tricky actually. So let's just say you have an item, and let me open up this again. You have one item at 0.01, which is free, right? However, that person adds the same item at 0.01 or another 0.01 item. It's going to calculate at 0.02, meaning it's going to charge 2 items that are free, okay, at $9.95, which again, if you're okay with that, that's totally fine. However, let's just say you have 0.04 and then you have 0.06. So 0.04 is $23.99, so we're gonna put $23.99 over here, and then 0.06 is 30 right over here, $35.99. You're gonna get $59.98 for your particular shipping if you have, you know, both of these. So around $60 for shipping, and that's gonna be your discrepancy because of the fact that, or I'm sorry, you're going to get a 10, right? So right over here, you're gonna get 1.0. It's going to be this right over here. Okay, so around $74. And this is where the overlap is what I wanted to kind of go ahead and tell you. $59.98, so $59.98. This is going to be an overlap. So if you have this and this, I really want to go ahead and kind of let you know right over here. Whoops. Let's go ahead and really fill this in. If you have these, okay, which equal to 0.01, you're going to be, and let me just fill these as well. All right, this over here. This, all right, are all going to pretty much be, let me just find a congruent color for all of these. All right, so right over here, so we have 4 and 6. So now we have 4, we have 6. And let me just go right over here. And this is yellow. So again, if they have just one item, it'll be $23.99. But if they have a 0.04 and a 0.06, it's going to equal out to a 0.01, and that's where the overlap is going to be. And that's where you have to be more so okay with that overlap, because it's not something that you can go out there and pretty much override. It's just something that you're going to have to kind of just eyeball yourself and see if it really affects conversions, because, you know, at that point you can lower this product to, you know, if this product is a 0.06, right? And here's the problem with 0.06 is if they add an 0.06 and then a 0.01, it becomes a 0.7, right? So it becomes $43.99, which makes it a little bit harder, because is it justified to charge that much for the free product and the 0.06 product? I hope that's making sense, okay? So, again, you know, I hope it makes sense a little bit more. It's not, you know, too confusing over here, because if you have a product, so let's just say, let me break this down one more time. Product 1 is 0.01, and that is free shipping, right? So free shipping, and let's just call this cat socks, okay? So let's call this cat socks. Now, let's just call this 0.02, and the shipping is 9.95, right? And let's go ahead and say your user's browsing your store, and then they find a bag of food for, you know, whatever amount it is. However, the shipping on that bag of food is $35.99. Now, here's the thing, bag of food. Now, Shopify is going to add these up together for you, which again equals out to 0.8, which makes this, you know, $59.99. However, if you add the two together over here, if you add the 0.2 and the 0.6, it equals to $45.94. So minus 45.94. All right. So what does that mean for you exactly? Is that there's a difference of $14.05 in the shipping discrepancy. These shipping rates are based on the fact that a user is only purchasing one product. So that means you're really going to have to play around with your shipping settings to really hit the weight-based, you know, packages. That's why if you want to go out there and you want to use, hang on, let me just go right back over here. and you want to go out there and use price-based rates, I suggest doing that as well, because it's going to be less of an overlap for you. However, you need to know what's going on with your particular products. And what do I mean by that is, let's just say you have a $30 product, okay? So $30 product, which costs you $10 to ship, okay? And then you have a, let's just say you have a $100 product, and that $100 product costs you, let's just say $20 to ship, because it's a little bit more. So $30 total for a $130 sale to ship out. So essentially $100 is your margin after shipping at that point and before product cost as well. Now, what you have to take into account is the fact that if you're going out there and using price-based, if they just buy this particular product, it's going to cost them, or it's going to cost you around $20 to ship out, and it's going to add up to $130. So anywhere from $100 to $130 or $150, you're going to charge maybe $34.99. However, if you close the gaps, what I mean by closing the gaps with price-based structured for shipping is if you're going out there and charging, let's just say, or somebody purchases anywhere from $1 to $50, the standard shipping is $9.99, okay? Again, because the margins are good enough. Now, if they spend $50, it's still going to be, $10, which is $60. But if they spend $10, they're still going to get charged $10 shipping. So you really have to understand what your what your audience is going to really budge at. So if you put 1 to 25 and then charge them $4.99, and then you can do 26 all the way up to 50 and do $9.99, okay, that's another route that you can go down. So I'm going to delete these really quickly and show you the rates. So I'm going to do free shipping, okay? So free shipping on, let's just go ahead and say minimum order is free shipping. Yep, it's going to be a free shipping rate. Minimum order price. Now, free shipping is a little bit harder to kind of calculate over here. So we're just going to put 0.0, or I'm sorry, we're just going to do, let's just say minimum order is whatever you feel comfortable with. So again, I don't really feel comfortable with free shipping over here in regards to that. If you want to do free shipping, what I suggest you do is this. So for free shipping, use weight at 0.01, okay? Use weight at 0.01 or 0.001 and only have the products, only have free ship products set to 0.001 for the weight. So your only products that'll ever have weight are the actual free shipping products. That's what I would suggest to do. So right over here, we're gonna call this standard, all right? And minimum order, like I said before, $1, and then we're gonna put 25. Over here, we can do $4.99. Okay, click done. And again, what we're gonna do yet again is add rate. We can call this standard again. So standard minimum order, it can be from 26, all right, all the way up to $50, and we're gonna charge $9.99 here. So this is how the, standard shipping, this is more so how you're gonna be able to go out there and lay out your entire shipping structure, okay? And I'm gonna provide this for you in the description down below, and I definitely suggest you go out there and kind of look at this and really use it to your best benefit and really figuring out a shipping structure that works for you. But that's how shipping goes in regards to Shopify, and that's really one of the big premises that I wanted to talk about was shipping. Next, I'm going to be really going into the settings, and we're going to be talking a little bit about payments and the checkout cart and everything else. So again, I'll see you in that next video.